What's up? This is the boy Ty Blunt. Here, I'm doing a really different video today other than reselling. I'll show you one of the products I actually built before. This is actually I built in my dorm room freshman year. Honestly, not really what I want to be doing now. You'll see why. Not my thing, but I made it, and it's a freaking excellent product. I'm not trying to pitch it to you guys. If you want to buy it, it's on my website, or you gotta find the website, or on Amazon, whatever. But I just want to do a cool video because this is going out to the Red Dot Design Award. I have been able to get into it, right? So Red Dot Design Award is in Germany. It's for the best of the best design products. And I think that my product will win. Actually, I know it will win. For my certain categories. So certain categories, there's like cars, there's appliances. That light's pretty bad. Appliances. There's all sorts of different categories you can win in, and there's the best of the best in your category, and there's the best overall. So hopefully we win the best of the best in my category, and we'll try for the best for all, but who knows. But yeah, I'll do a quick unboxing because this is going to go out to Germany in 2 spots. Somebody's looking to buy 1,000 units of them wholesale, and this would be a great video to try to get the word out, right? Here, let's see it. Boom. This is Go. It is a cosmetic multi-tool, travel size, fits in any luggage, and is fits TSA regulations to be taken on the plane for United States only. So I say that when you use this, you need to keep it out with your cosmetic goods, your toothbrush, anything like that when you're getting through security or TSA. There's a little bubble in the back that you're supposed to be able to open it with easier, but it's not opening very well. So I have no nails anymore too. So packaging is pretty cool. Look at it. People say it looks like Apple packaging, which is my inspiration. One of the people that helped me throughout this process, he actually helped build the Apple store. Pretty much the lead on it. He was the lead on it, and he had his hand in all the designs and whatnot. So he helped me build all this stuff. Very, very cool. If I can open this freaking thing. I'll show you my way. Oh my God. There we go. Take the wrapping off. Pretty cool. QR code, barcode. Let's go, check it out. Pretty cool. Let's unbox it, open this bad boy up. Comes with a manual and a product. Also on the bottom, comes with a little bag. There's a hemp bag for your product, so then the soft touch feel on the outside doesn't go away. Pretty cool. Tweezers. These are hand cut tweezers. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. They're freaking nice. Not bad. Nail clippers. Open this bad boy up. All different units in here. We got scissors, we got a file, we got a cuticle pusher. All back up. Bam. Cool little product. Retails for $39.95. This awesome soft to touch silicone spray on the outside. It's called flacking. So when you want to build your own products, it's called flacking. It's super soft silicone feel. It's a spray. The reason why we have the bag is because, like if you have an iPhone case, this flacking will come off when it's worn a lot, when it's like rubbing at your pants and whatnot. It comes off after a couple, like about 6 months to a year. That's why we have this case to slide this bad boy in. And dang. Cool product. cool little product. Just a quick unboxing. These are all going to go out to Germany for that design competition. This one's actually a pretty good one. Again, the first 1,000 units, there's always going to be some flaws. We had some flaws with them, but they all are fixed up. This one's in excellent condition, so it's going to be sent out. Thanks for guys checking in. This is Ty. Peace out. Oh, give me a like, give me a subscribe. Trying to build this channel out. If you think this is cool content, if you want to build your own product, leave a comment below and I'll help you. I have all those necessary contacts, anything like that. Again, it's all free. Just let me know. Peace.